The Ministry of Transport and Communications is responsible for the development of broadband infrastructure in Lithuania. It is of high importance that thanks to the RAIN project, internet accessibility will increase. We think that when the project is up and running, all the children in Lithuania, in whichever corner of Lithuania they are going to school, they all will have the same possibilities to use the most recent teaching materials. The network is only built in the places where there is no infrastructure whatsoever, and several main principles are adhered to, namely open access, technological neutrality, and competitive environment to attract all operators. That means the resources of this network will be available to all operators without any preconceived attitudes, requirements, or anything else. We are the first two pilot municipalities, Alytus district and Lazdijai district, and indeed we will have it by the end of the year. People will be able to avail of these advantages, because fiber optic channels are already laid in our territories, as we are the first, and we'll endeavor to implement the project RAIN 2. My grandchildren, for example, my son's family, live in the country, and so my granddaughter, she'll only be starting school this autumn. She's 6. She knows this sphere very well, and of course we are joking that these are computer or internet kids. Beside the projects RAIN 1 and RAIN 2, there is a third project underway, RAIN 3, the purpose of which is to employ all broadband possibility. We're putting certain funds, Lithuanian state, European Union funds, so we need to make sure that the information will flow via these channels. To date, market surveys were conducted and the evaluation shows that in the territories where we are going to build a network, there are 11,000 institutions and organizations. This is a very big number. There are 1,600 knowledge centers, schools, and over 1,200 libraries and public internet spots. The total number is considerable. This thing is necessary for everyone. Of course, we shouldn't forget the people, a big number of them. Therefore, the importance of this project for Lithuania is extremely high, because every inhabitant in Lithuania will be able to use broadband. I'm certain that the spread of these broadband information technologies to the countryside will help to bridging the gap between the Lithuanian cities and rural areas. And that will be really the start of such proactive and modern regional policy.